Guruji, namaste.
Namaskar.
How are you, sir?
Always good.
Thank you for your time.
So you are in Palakkad now?
Yes, sir. I'm in Palakkad. Not exactly in Palakkad. Towards Ottapalam, near Sri Krishnapura.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Sir, like what I wanted to say is, I was like I'm basically mechanical engineer. I passed out in 2006, and then I worked in SR Steel Limited, Gujarat, Surat. It was previously SR, now it is taken over by ArcelorMittal. Yeah. So I worked there for 5 years, from 2006 to 2011. And then I got opportunity abroad. I went to Dubai. I worked in Dubai, like in the same field, like hydraulics, basically, industrial hydraulics. And then I worked there as a service provider in a service company, Gates Engineering and Services. And then in related to that same company, there was one more company in Azerbaijan. So I just went there. 2017. And in 2020, due to this corona situation, and there was a conflict between Azerbaijan and Armenia. So there was a problem there. So I lost my job. So I came back here. I was looking for opportunity. By the same time, like I was asking you also for that research, no? So I just taken like some more universities and all that I have shortlisted. So I thought I will go ahead with my
Education.
research or like masters or research. So in this regard, I just wanted a letter of recommendation. So that is what I wanted to basically tell you.
So what is that field you have?
Basically, I'm looking for a sustainability studies, sir.
Okay.
Or like basically with the industrial oriented sustainability study. What I have done is like in hydraulics, like oil and gas also have so much of hydraulic equipments.
Okay.
Basically into that design, installation, commissioning, into that field.
So no, any university you have already applied?
Actually, I started application in two university. One is Hochschule für Fresenius. I think it is a German word for University of Applied Sciences.
Okay. So did they ask for your German language skill?
I just started doing that one by the side.
Okay.
It doesn't need any German skill, but having a German language skill is advantage there.
That is all.
It is a full and full English course only. So I'm just doing side by side. I just started learning that one.
Do they ask for a recommendation letter? Because most of the universities,
Yeah.
what they do is they ask you a reference person and then
Yeah.
ask their email.
Okay.
They will send it to the corresponding person and then get it.
Okay.
That is how most of the best universities do.
Okay.
They don't believe in you sending a recommendation letter from somebody.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
So that is what they ask. So generally what is done is when you apply in such places,
Okay.
you also say that this is what you have applied for. So we know specifically.
Okay.
And then for that, showing interest in this field was seen. It should be worded like that.
Okay.
So general recommendation was a tradition earlier.
Okay.
Now no university does it because everybody is digitally connected.
Yeah. Connected. Yeah.
Earlier when we were all applying, we used to get from every professor, use it wherever we can.
Yeah.
But now mostly I have been giving to many people. So all of them, what do they do is they draft and tell me this is what I have applied for, this is what the letter I require.
Okay.
So based on that exact requirement, whenever you want, you can tell me. I will do it. No problem.
Okay, fine,
If
sir.
university asks, also I have no problem.
Okay.
Otherwise also. Okay. So you have my
Okay.
card to give the details.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good enough.
If there is like anything specifically I require, then I will come back to you.
Yeah, in case if you want some very specific thing, you can draft and send it to me. This is what they wanted, or give more details about which course you applied.
Yeah, I will confirm you with all the details. I will
Yeah.
give a background also. Then
Yeah.
I can.
Some universities also will require this person has got an English handling capacity and all that.
Yeah. Actually, I have taken my IELTS also. I
Oh.
have a score also, so it is not a
Okay,
issue.
then no problem. Fine.
Yeah. So this is what I want to basically have an interaction and inform you about my situation.
Yeah.
So that
I had continuous calls. So up to 12:30 I had a call, and the phone, if I keep it, then I will not be able to get it all. So normally my mode is when somebody wants, Gmeet. So that phone is
also.
free. Phone
And
is free.
whatever we can like interaction, it is
Good
it is,
also.
good. Yeah. So that is what basically I wanted to inform, sir. Thank you for
No problem, no
guidance and
Yeah.
support. Yeah.
And tomorrow we have some slot. If you want to know that what India needs, you can also speak.
Sir, I am not that much. I am a small person, so I am not.
No, we wanted some input from different no background, different age group. Yeah. Anyway, good. If you feel fine.
Yeah, actually, I'm not.
Good.
I don't know.
No
I
problem.
cannot say like that. I'm just learning, sir. I'm
No
small
issue.
student only. So
No issue.
all the speakers were eminent people.
No,
And
nothing
I
like
cannot-
that. It's all. No, you have more experience. You have traveled across.
Sir, that is in front of you. It is ant, less than an ant also.
Everybody has got something to contribute. It's up to. We can also have informal. That's it.
Yeah. Now maybe I can say I am not ready for that level conversation.
No problem.
I was looking the other day with your son also. He's excellent. I would say he's excellent. Like maybe he is brought up by you. So
No, he is used to most of the discussions. No, we keep debating. He has been. I remember when he was.
What you say as surroundings, no, you have that surrounding and.
No, when he
There
was
is a
in,
potential
he was
to
in,
grow, yeah.
he was doing masters. I was a professor in management,
Yeah.
and that time he was just doing masters.
Yeah.
But then into my college, I called him as a guest speaker.
Okay.
And then because most of the people they know only that there is a bank crisis in USA.
Yeah, 2008.
Yeah, what do you call that?
This crashing, no?
Yeah, that's how general public call.
Yeah.
That's why I don't want to use that word, so that's why I was holding very slowly.
Okay.
Actually, it is called subprime crisis.
Okay.
See, the technical word will not come unless you are into that field.
Yeah.
I crashed.
Yeah, financial crisis.
Yeah,
crash or something,
that's
yeah.
a normal colloquial word.
Yeah.
So he could speak like that. So
Okay.
many people don't understand. When in your discussion, how many technical words you use, that shows you are into that subject.
Yeah.
Otherwise, anybody can speak. So
Yes.
most important is to look at technical terms, and then when you listen, pick up that, take a note, look at it, refer it, make it yours. That's what is.
Yeah. Like, but one thing I observed in this, in that speak was, like, whenever we are student, my observations are nothing to do that. Whenever we are student, we are normally into socialist or like communist. We are tending towards that direction. But in reality, when you are out in the field, socialism or communism doesn't help anywhere. So, but what I think, he was purely into the academics, so he's speaking like a communist person. That's what I felt.
No, the Tata School of Social Sciences has got an inclination towards NGOs.
Yeah,
They are not for government. They are always, government will not do, therefore people have to do. So it's
Yeah.
a peopleistic movement. First. Second, most of the people, he is very thorough in Sanskrit.
yeah,
He learned Sanskrit.
yeah,
He is thorough in Vishnu Sahasranamam and all that. But he don't take it as a great credit because he understood it is nothing as far as Indianism or Hinduism is concerned.
yeah,
Indianism or Hinduism is much bigger.
yeah,
Understood. So when somebody tried to say that no, we are Indian, see, I could also ask how much you know about India, no?
yeah, correct.
That becomes a big sort of a um, opposing somebody.
Yeah.
That he generally don't do
Okay.
because he has been traveling across the world. He is a good traveler.
Yeah,
Traveler in the sense he um, trucking is his passion. Photography is his passion.
okay.
Writing is his passion. I don't know whether you have seen his magazine, Allah.
No, actually, first
He's-
time I heard your son.
Yeah.
So
He's
after that only, yes.
He's
That's
an
it.
editor for he runs a magazine for Kerala Research.
Okay.
So, when you look at Kerala Research into the context, we understand there are a lot of activities happened because of the people movement.
Okay.
People traveled across, came from different places to India.
Yeah.
Dutch came, Portuguese came. They are the people actually made the culture of India much richer.
Yeah.
Those time, see for example, Malabar, basically Kerala, where I am from.
Yeah.
The difference between the higher caste and lower caste is too much.
Yeah.
Therefore, my grandfather was a landlord. Palakkad, it is entirely different.
Yeah.
Palakkad Nair means they
Yeah.
will not allow their lower class fellows to enter in the house.
Correct. Even I remember, sir, in our home itself, we had like what Umaram we say, no? That
Yeah.
before the field.
Hmm.
Normally, I remember in my childhood days, people used to stand there and then ask something.
Yeah. See, whereas we are landlords, maybe owning much more than what a Palakkad Nair is owning. Because
Yeah.
my grandfather had 5 lakh acres of land.
Okay.
The whole village was ours.
Okay.
But every day evening, the tribals go for hunting.
Yeah.
They get kallu, rak.
Yeah.
They come with that. It's all cooked together. My father and all the other people will sit eat together and then drink together.
Okay.
So it's a more socialized life.
Okay.
I am also like that. I have nothing reserved for any Hinduism.
Yeah.
I deal with the Muslims or Christians or Hindus in same style. Those who are my relatives or my gardener or maybe a worker who came for a half day also is equal for me.
Okay.
So I have brought up a scenario where socializing, concern for others is a great thing. So when somebody says my people, very difficult to accept. Because in Hyderabad and all, if you look at, it's all like a single community.
Okay.
Even in Malabar, I think that is there in some pockets of India and some pockets of Kerala probably.
Okay.
Otherwise, the feeling for socialism, feeling for nationalism, feeling for, we have got some person who comes to Ramakrishna Math and speaks Bhagavad Gita. 10-15 years back, I used to sit in his class and then wonder. He knows much more than probably many people.
Okay.
Swamijis used to sit and listen to this Muslim fellow.
I think, is it Sri M or someone?
No. Sri M and all is a new guy.
New guy.
It's
Yeah.
all marketed fellows.
Yeah.
I don't think he must have taught Bhagavad Gita anywhere.
Yeah, okay.
See, learning few here and here and putting in English is a different style.
Yeah, correct.
Understanding the core. I am talking about somebody in Hyderabad,
Okay,
in
okay,
core Muslim area, where a professor of one university, his subject is Urdu or Arabic. But in
okay,
Ramakshana Math, he comes and speaks Bhagavad Gita.
okay,
In Hyderabad, I am not talking about Kerala.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay. So, there are many people who really love. If you look at Nitya Chaitanya Yadi,
Yeah,
his two disciples, most famous were one Joseph and another one is Shaukat.
okay.
Two different
Christian
religions.
and a Muslim. Yeah, okay,
And Shaukat is the man who wrote Yati Charitam, the bio
okay.
sketch of
Yeti.
Yati. And they know Upanishad probably much better than many of the priests in the temples in Kerala.
Oh, okay, okay.
So it is beyond religion, it is beyond caste and creed.
Okay.
If that concept is not there, that is one of the biggest virus India has
Yeah,
today.
yeah,
And probably Muslims and Christians are helping each other so that they can come up. Instead of criticizing and wasting time on somebody else, what Hindus should do is they should help each other.
yeah,
See, if I just compiled all the Bhagavad Gita chantings.
yeah,
I am also into different groups here.
yeah.
Sangh, Brahmana group, because they
Yeah,
also
okay.
call me for some lectures. If I post this Bhagavad Gita there, immediately they will put a lot of comments. This chanting is not correct, this pronunciation is not correct, there is a mistake. See, they are all find faulters.
Yeah. All finders.
We know when we learn in LKG, we will not be able to pronounce like an native American speaker, right?
Yeah, correct.
So it is true that we should not make mistakes in chanting Bhagavad Gita, but we are all learning.
Yeah, correct.
So during learning there can be more mistakes. So
Yeah.
if you start complaining about it, then understanding,
Understanding, yeah.
that is what is the nature. Understand? So that if that doesn't go, they find, oh, it's all not correct.
Yeah, correct, sir.
But that day what Suchita spoke, immediately she reacted telling that no, very sorry, I should not have told. There is nothing to get angry, get upset if somebody doesn't agree in your views.
Yeah. Actually, it is agree to disagree, no? We
why?
have equal opportunity.
No,
You
everybody.
have your own perspective and I have my perspective.
Yeah, everybody is
If
learning.
we are going together, maybe we can go in somewhere in the middle.
Everybody is learning,
Yeah.
and everybody has got their background,
Yeah.
and
Correct.
because of that, they have a different understanding. So, with all that, the view what I am giving today is only what I know so far.
Yeah, correct.
If I know little bit more, better tomorrow. That's what I'm saying. The first chapter which we completed yesterday,
Yeah.
I did not do like this in any of my earlier sessions.
Yeah. Actually, I after this first class, like August 1st, I've gone through your speech in USA.
Okay.
In that also, you started with the first chapter, like one sloga, I think. After that, you went to the second chapter directly.
Yeah.
That's what I was also wondering. You have gone some more deep into that lesson. After that, I thought, yeah.
No, that is because it depends on the audience, how much time we
Yeah.
have. We don't know how many people will stay.
Yeah.
If you don't get into interesting things, they may not have patience.
Yeah.
See, all that, see, somebody will come, let me taste once and then see how does it go, no?
Yeah.
And those
Correct.
people in America, they were all people who must have heard 10 times. There are people from Dwaraka also sitting in front of me.
Yeah. Actually, one person was there. He was constantly, he was telling something like some more thing about that. Yeah, I noticed that one.
So there are
Yeah.
a lot of people. And they heard Chinmaya's direct lectures in Bombay. The
Okay,
CEO of a
okay.
company was sitting there. Cummins, you know, right?
Yeah.
The Cummins company who makes big generators.
Yeah, Cummins, yes.
The second in command and the chief was there. He was my student.
Okay.
And his
Okay.
wife used to be at a Chinmaya Mission group member,
Okay.
Bombay. So
Okay.
everyday lecture.
Okay,
So
okay.
it's all it all depends on who is in front of you, how much they grasp, you know.
Yeah, correct.
So good.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
You have some more people lined up next.
Where no
Do you have?
today I have some work is happening out. So I have to,
Okay, okay.
so morning I had somebody, but then
Okay,
that person came from Jharkhand.
okay,
So they were not fixing the time when
okay.
he will come, when he will attend and all that.
Yeah,
So then I gave 11 o'clock immediately. I remember today they didn't fix the time, but they wanted a time. So it went from 11 to 12:30.
okay, okay.
He is actually a political advisor and he is working with the strategy development for Modi government.
Okay,
Now he is joining for the Uttar Pradesh election planning, strategic planning.
okay, okay.
He is an
Okay, sir.
BTech from IIT, then MBA from XLRI. Now he is studying in TIS on policies.
Okay.
People
I
keep
think now more and more people are coming like that. For example, in Tamil Nadu also, if you see this BJP head, now Annamalai, he was an ex-IPS officer and he is also like engineering background and he studied MBA in Ahmedabad, IIM Ahmedabad, and then he has done some research on policies of some party, and then yes, like I think like more and more good people, if they are coming, it can be affected in both ways. Either they good, fully good, or they make a loophole such that no one find. So it is like both ways are there. We hope it is good.
no, somewhere see it's like an agile, very active field.
Yeah,
Politics is nothing permanent.
correct.
So it it depends on how which gear you go at what time.
Yeah, correct.
Sometime in a slope down, if you put more accelerator, it is problem.
Okay, one more question before I
Yeah,
let you go, sir. You worked under Dr. Manmohan Singh government,
yeah. I was there in
and comparing that to our present Modi government regime, like how do you compare? Is it, yeah, it is not apple and orange, I know,
yeah.
but how do you rate?
See, as a government, Manmohan Singh government was good because government is not one minister or two ministers
Yeah,
and
yeah.
political
Government
party.
is a collective, as you said, it is a collective
So
responsibility.
unless
Yeah,
you take the administration, judiciary, parliament, opposition, everybody together, you will not be able to make it for a long run because not even administrators will give a view. They will say, oh, what both require? Oh, this is how we require. So let me write like this. So your
yeah. That is
views,
why we are seeing the statistics and all that unemployment. There's so much of controversy there.
yeah, that is because government wants like this, so let me write like this. They will take care of me.
Okay,
Earlier it was not like that. You can always tell that you are wrong. This is not correct. Nothing will be done.
okay.
So once the politicians become powerful, they should know that we are only here for a small term. India is not a small country to rule. It's a big. It's highly politically agile based on geography, based on different factors. If you understand geopolitics, the
Yeah,
politics is entirely different and across Indian region. So to take all of them into account, you cannot have one single rule, one single activity. See, GST is good, but the
there is so much of loss in that.
proportionate portion should go to states.
Yeah,
See, now what happens, the SC/ST declaration, the bill today.
yeah,
Every state government will start fooling union government.
yeah.
In the northeast and all, most of the people have converted into Christianity.
Yeah, that
And
Mizoram and all that,
yeah,
no?
those people who are into power are converted Christians. Now they will add all of them into SC/ST. Actually, once you get converted, you start going to church. You are a social being. You are not
Yeah,
a tribe.
yeah.
They should not get any benefit.
No, actually, one more, I think we are getting more into more. Like, it is high time to cancel this reservation, no?
No, it is not true. There are real tribals who don't have that social justice.
That means we should focus on that, no?
Yeah, but instead of that,
For example, I'm coming from a city called Chennai. Okay, I will have all the wonderful facility, and then I will tribe will be there in some village, but I am depriving that child, and I will be taking all the SC/ST benefit.
that is what I'm saying.
wrong.
See, that is.
For example, I studied from Tamil Nadu, sir.
Yeah.
My father was a lorry driver, so I was fully studied in Tamil Nadu, and I 12th engineering everything. As I am coming from a Nair family, I was a forward community, and sometimes we don't even have money for our food. That was the situation. But I got, like God's grace, I got in 95%, and then someone helped me. But in my place, if someone else was there, he might not have ended up like me. So that is it is because of reservation, no? Same, I will say one more friend of mine. His father is a bank employee. His mother is a like government servant who got less mark than me. But because of this reservation, he got into a good college. He got a higher studies also, full scholarship, and then like sometimes it is not fair, no? Like now economic weaker section, some 10% reservation is there. That is very good, but in that days also it was not there, no? So this reservation also, what like myself, what I can do that.
See, I'll
Like
tell
sometimes I feel.
you, the way to uplift a community is, if they are really downtrodden, you must give them some facility so that they will come up.
Yeah,
In that, the policy is made.
yeah.
But implementation wise, how
The
do we
ground
implement?
reality, yeah, it
There
is
are a lot
different.
of loopholes.
Yeah. Actually, more than the law, loopholes are.
Yeah, that
I
is,
would say.
if somebody says I'm an scheduled tribe, scheduled tribe means he is living in a forest.
Yeah,
Once he come out, he becomes SC, scheduled
Yeah.
caste.
okay.
So that scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, very difficult to understand, because they just came out. But
Okay.
today, after 40 years also, we continue somebody with an SC, ST combined reservation.
Yeah,
Though his generation would have been in politics. See, you can imagine somebody who is an MP also says, I am an SC, ST.
yeah.
See,
Yeah, even
once you
today,
become-
like in
once
the
you-
parliament also, minister is telling,
Yeah.
they are not allowing a tribal minister to speak.
That
What is
is-
the tribal minister?
that is what I'm
They
saying.
are not living in forest, no?
See,
They
the
are
ones,
living in bungalow.
yeah, that once they get a job, once they get a government employment, once they are out, they have to be out from the,
Yeah, reservation category.
that is what is to be implemented. But that
Yeah.
will not come because politicians are living on them.
Yeah, correct.
Because one person is taken care of, they know the whole vote will come to them. And they have been given extra allowance of protection from law, protection from police, protection. You cannot even scold them. All
Why we cannot change this system, sir?
See,
Is there possible
that is-
any time?
that is what I'm saying. India is a small country. 75 years is a small time in the history of a country.
Sir, if we are saying like that, Singapore is only 50 years.
I'll tell you, the one is politics. See, for example, Gulf is only 1970 independence.
Yeah, Dubai.
Yeah.
Dubai
But
instance. Yeah,
that is
correct.
run by one family.
Yeah,
And they have a good advisors, they have good views. India cannot be ruled like that because it's a too large nation. One, diversity I am telling, all across. And it is not one community or one religion, one group of people have to be taken care of. The rest of the people are all like a hotel only.
yeah, correct.
I can make my hotel neat and clean if there are 10 people to clean it. But I
Yeah,
cannot do
correct.
it in my house because everybody has their own freedom.
Yeah, correct.
So I am not, why hotel there are thousands of people coming and going in a month. In your house there is only 2 people or 3 people. Will you keep your house as neat as a hotel?
Yeah.
You understood what
There
I'm
is
saying?
difference.
See,
There is a difference.
yeah. So that is like managing a hotel. I keep saying Gulf is a hotel. Every Indian who goes there, they know that they cannot be permanent there. They have to vacate one day and come.
Yeah, correct.
If they don't keep it clean, the room, next day they will ask, vacate it.
Vacate it, yeah.
India is not like that. It's like our house. So we have
Yeah,
every...
that's what. For example, I shouldn't say this. Every Muslim, if go there, they are 100% disciplined. But same person coming over here is entirely like they are like this, and here they are like this.
That is what I'm saying. I have been traveling to Gulf
Yeah.
quite often. So most of the places I know.
Yeah.
This is how the insecurity feeling is there. If I do something wrong, I'll be out.
And even, for example, the punishment also, no? If you are doing wrong, the punishment is here. If you are doing wrong only, you are very good. If you are straightforward and very honest, you are down. You should be low.
So this is a big nation, not that simple to solve all the problems.
No, but
We are
for
on the...
example, I can do something to do some difference.
See,
no?
there are,
That's- I was thinking.
I'm telling, there are intelligence people also put to see whether somebody is overdoing it, overusing it. See, the number of people whom intelligence people are catching with doubt, if you stop doing it, in India every day there will be at least 10 cities with bombs.
Yeah.
Understood? So there are a lot of people who are working against this country. So it needs a lot of care and see, don't think what comes in newspaper catching somebody is
No.
because of...
I just understand the media, sir. Media is only propaganda.
So
I know because I am coming from a corporate company. I know it all runs on money. Whoever pay money, they propagate that.
that's it.
Same thing. All media, irrespective of that, they need money to run their business.
See,
Finally, that is their God.
So
If someone is giving money, if I give money and I say Arvind Balan, they will put something in Arvind Balan and they will propagate. I agree. But as a nation,
have you seen the movie called Mandela? Tamil movie.
No, sir.
அது பார்க்கணும். அது நல்லா இருக்கும்.
okay.
It's a
Okay,
beautiful movie. Mandela.
sir. Okay. In
2011 released.
2011. Okay.
I mean 2021 released this year.
Okay.
Beautiful movie, Mandela. It will
Okay.
give you a picture of how dirty the politics is and how is it running. There are beautiful movies like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I will not take the time. Nice talking
Thank
to
you.
you.